good evening. This is Lauren Neal reporting live from ABC News.
And I am Autumn Dukic. Tonight we have a special edition for you. Mad cow disease.
And the effects of the epidemic.
And everything you need to know about mad cow disease.
When mad cow disease, or the scientific name, bovine spongiform encephalopathy, is in the body of the infected, the person or cow will experience severe neurological damage and spinal cord damage.
According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, mad cow disease is caused by a transmissible protein called a prion. A prion enters the cow's system, theoretically through scrapie sheep meat which was fed to the cattle. The prion then refolds into an aberrant conformation. As you can see in this diagram, cows become infected with mad cow disease through being fed scrapie-infected meat or bones from animals like sheep. When the infected cow is slaughtered for a big, nice, juicy steak, the person eating that steak will become infected with Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. There is a misfolding that happens between a prion protein and a regular protein gene, which causes the well-known disease, mad cow disease. Quick fun fact, mad cow disease is neither bacteria or a virus. It is solely the prion protein that causes the trigger in the nervous system and brain tissues. Oh no, Lauren, we have just gotten a video of someone who is infected with mad cow disease.
Oh boy, let's watch it.
Beware, the following clip may be disturbing to some viewers.
Are you kidding me? Are you freaking serious? I literally just went to Outback Steakhouse and I had a steak. And now you're telling me I can get mad cow disease? Oh my god. Oh my god, you've got to. Alright, I have to go. I have to go. So I know you have a lot of things to do, but just for once help me. I think I'm gonna have mad cow disease, and I really need your help. Please help me. Please.
Lauren, that was one disturbing video.
Let's hope the best for her.
Moo. Alright, now let's get back to the serious
The beginning
stuff.
of the disease is thought to be caused from farmers feeding their cattle infected rendered protein produced from the carcasses of scrapie-infected sheep, causing prion protein to induce a normal protein into the refolding.
Mad cow disease was first discovered in England. 1986 noticed unusual behavior in their cattle and started to observe their behaviors. The first symptoms are psychiatric problems, which include depression and hallucinations.
Other psychiatric symptoms may include anxiety, insomnia, and apathy. Some of the next symptoms of mad cow disease that can be seen in infected patients involve problems with cognitive function or the ability to think properly. Patients might experience a sudden start of memory loss or dementia.
Activity of this disease in the cerebellum can lead to problems with balance and maintaining a steady walking pattern. The cranial nerves, which are the nerves that are important for the sensation and movement of the face, can be affected and result in symptoms such as limited eye mobility, problems with swallowing, and slurred speech. Symptoms of mad cow disease often progress quickly and result in death approximately a year after they start.
The prions will stick to the brain, causing small holes in the spinal cord. A healthy human being having this will have psychological problems like Alzheimer's and dementia, and will also have trouble moving different body parts. Most victims of this disease will die in less than a year.
Mad cow disease is resistant to extreme temperatures and is resistant to normal sterilization processes. It does not evoke an inflammatory response in the immune system or any response at all.
If infected cow meat, then they are susceptible to Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, first found in 1920 by Jakob.
Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease affects 1 in a million people worldwide. It is a very rare disease, and it is a degenerative and 100% fatal brain disorder.
As you can see in the diagram shown, when a person is suffering from Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, the brain shrinkage and deterioration of the brain occurs very quickly. Now, the brain section that is showing the spongiform pathology, which is a characteristic of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. This brain section that also shows spongiform pathology is also similar to what cows experience when they are suffering from mad cow disease.
In the United States alone, 300 people each year are diagnosed.
There is no known cure or treatment. There are 3 types of CJD.
The first one is sporadic, second familial, and the third is acquired.
The symptoms vary. Some include behavior and vision changes, balance and coordination loss, and speech difficulties.
CJD attacks the brain of the person until the person is no longer alive. The person infected will have to have around-the-clock attention and care.
The average duration of the disease is 4 to 5 months.
But for some, it is a couple weeks before CJD
Oh
takes
no,
their
not
life.
again! Autumn, we have an incoming Skype call from a girl who believes her brother is infected with CJD.
Oh no, I think we should watch it.
Please beware of what might be shown. There will be no censors or any way to know what will happen next. Parental guidance is advised.
Ja.
Please.
Das. Was ist das? Was ist das? Was ist das? Ach, was ist das?
I'm thinking it could be CJD, but I mean, who knows? I mean, we need to help him somehow. And this is one of the symptoms, seizures. And just please help me. Please. If it were up to me, preventing the outbreak of BSE or CJD would include inspecting every protein in which cattle were fed and stop the feeding of protein of scrapie infected sheep to them. Every cattle would be watched and checked up on every 6 months for the inspection of BSE, and every human would be inspected for CJD and other preventative measures of keeping the cattle able to be eaten.
So far, only about 160 people, mostly in Britain, have died from CJD, which humans get from cows with mad cow disease.
The mortality rate is 100% of all humans and cows that receive mad cow disease or CJD.
26 outbreaks of mad cow disease have occurred, so watch out.
Thank you for watching the special edition of ABC News.
Siblings in 4?
Yeah!
You guys, are you like tickling?
Include disturbing